Want to enable the Schooltime feature on your Apple Watch? In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can block distractions and stay focused whenever you need to study or concentrate. But before we get into that, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Now, first, head to the main menu on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little and you'll see a button called Edit. Tap on it. This lets you customize your notification panel. Look for the option called Schooltime and select it. Once done, tap Done to confirm. After that, the Schooltime button will appear on your panel. Tap it to activate the mode. Once Schooltime is on, your Apple Watch will block apps and complications, kind of like turning on Do Not Disturb mode. Only emergency calls and essential alerts will come through. This is especially useful for students who need to avoid distractions while studying. To exit Schooltime mode, press and hold the digital crown on the side of your watch. You'll get a confirmation screen that says Exit Schooltime with an 18-second countdown. If you change your mind, tap Don't Exit. Otherwise, you can scroll down and tap the Exit button to return to normal mode. That's it. Your Apple Watch is now set up to help you stay focused with the Schooltime feature. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.